Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be doing a tutorial about how to create and verify YouTube channel using Android phone. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for more videos. Okay, so let's start. First, go to your cell phone menu and then click Settings. Next, scroll down and look for Account and Sync and then click. Next, click Add an account. And then select Google. And wait for a few moments. Okay, so now you need to type your email address. Select Create an account and then for myself. Also, you need to type your first name, last name, and then select Next. You also need to fill out the month of your birthday, the day, as well as the year, and then you have to select your gender and then select Next. And now, you need to type your final email address. So since there are suggested email ad that appears, so I'll just select one and then click Next. Next is you have to create a password. A password must be 8 characters with a combinations of numbers, letters, and symbols. And then select Next. Finally, just select Yes, I'm in. You can now review your account and then select Next. Read the privacy and terms of Google, and if you agree, then select I agree. You have now successfully created a Google account that will be used in creating a YouTube channel. For the next step, go to your cell phone menu and then select YouTube application. Click the circle button at the top right side and click it again to show your Google accounts. And now tap your accounts. You will see that the first letter of your name appears on the circle button at the top right side. Click that button and then look and select for your channel. This time, I will change my name and then click Save. Then select Create Channel. You have now created your YouTube channel. And now, click Edit Channel to customize and make it more appealing. Click that circle with the camera button and then choose from your photos. From your gallery, choose the pictures that you want. And then, place it to the part that you want to be highlighted. And then click Save. After successfully creating a profile picture, let's now create a picture on the desktop cover. Click that camera button and then choose from your photos. Select from your gallery and place it to the part that you want to be highlighted. Then click Save. Now, let's add a description. It should describe the goal of your channel to inform the viewers about the videos that you are creating. And then click OK. We are now on the last step. To verify your YouTube channel, go to your browser and then type youtube.com. And make sure that it is in the desktop site mode. Sign in with your YouTube channel account, then click the circle button at the top right side. Go to YouTube Studio. Since we have customized some of the features of our YouTube channels, so all we have to do now is to set up and verify our YouTube channel. To set up the setting, just click the setting at the bottom left side. Look and select for channel, and then click basic information. Then choose a country. So since I am in the Philippines, I'm going to look and select for Philippines. You can also explore the other setting. And then go to the next one, which is the features eligibility. The purpose of this is to manage your access to more features. Leave number 1 because it is already enabled. Go to number 2, which is intermediate features, and click that blue button. Enter your cell phone number. Click Get Code. Then you will receive a verification code. Enter the code you have received and then submit. Congratulations, your phone number now is verified. Now, go back to YouTube Studio. You will now see that the number 2 intermediate feature is now enabled. Just leave number 3, for you can only enable it after reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And to get that, you have to create more videos and other strategies. So good luck, and may you be a successful YouTuber.